Hi and welcome. I have in my hands the next issue of Burda Style magazine for February 2024, and that means we are going to flip through it and look at the models. I want to say right away that, in my opinion, this issue is quite successful, which hasn't happened for a long time. I'll show you which models I liked, and you write in the comments how you like this issue. Here's an interesting model of pants with a wrap, but I don't think I'd be comfortable in them. But the next model of pants I would like to sew myself. These are wide leg pants with Marlene style pleats. They are called so in honor of the German movie star Marlene Dietrich, who was one of the first to try on men's pants and, so to speak, made a fashion revolution. Here's Marlene pants in the photo again. And here they are again. The same model of pants, only in a bright color and from a lighter fabric. I think this dress is defectively sewn. You see, the bottom is not straight. It's much longer in the back. I find these look pretty not bad. I'm just not sure about these pants. And this Chanel style dress is pretty good. Another successful model of the issue, trench coat, as well as this model of an elongated jacket. I also think this parka looks great. love that the magazine also prints the stories of its readers with examples of their work. Here is an article about a woman from Ukraine who has now moved to Germany because of the war. And 3 more useful knitwear patterns: a t-shirt, a hoodie, and a turtleneck. Thank you for being with me all the way through the video. Subscribe to the channel and see you soon with new videos.